Now, the recent escalation between Iran and Israel has raised questions on the scale of attacks that will follow from both sides and opens a dangerous new chapter in the rivalries between the two West Asian powers. Our next report takes a look at how the two militaries compare in terms of soldiers as well as weapons. We're going to leave you with this one, but don't go anywhere. News and updates will continue on the other side on Beyond World is One. Stay tuned.
As Israel weighs its options, Iran is warning it will respond in kind to any provocation. Waiting on the sidelines, the world doesn't have the appetite for another war. From Russia to the Europeans and the Gulf nations, all are urging Israel to exercise restraint. So amid all the concerns over an all-out war between Iran and Israel, how do the two militaries compare? Iran has one of the strongest militaries in West Asia. It has 610,000 active soldiers, which far outnumber Israel's 170,000 troops. Iran also has 350,000 reserved personnel in its ranks, while Israel has 465,000 reserved personnel. Not to mention two-thirds of the Israeli troops are already doing duty on the Gaza Strip. What Israel lacks in numbers, it more than makes up in its vast technological edge over Iran. Iran has about 186 fighter jets, while Israel has more than 250 fighter jets. But the numbers don't tell the full story. Iran's air force is the weakest wing of its military. Nearly two-thirds of Iranian jets were bought before 1979. Israel, on the other hand, has the latest air fighting machines. Israel has American F-16s and F-35 stealth combat jets. Israeli jets have regularly showed their firepower in operations against militants in Lebanon, Syria and Gaza. Iran has an upper hand with about 1,700 tanks compared to Israel's 1,300 tanks. Again, the numbers don't reveal the real picture. Israel has the state-of-the-art fleet of Merkava tanks, while the bulk of Iran's tanks are Soviet-era models bought in the 1990s. Again, in terms of armored vehicles, Iran has over 65,000 compared to Israel's 43,000. Israel's military vehicles are much faster and sleeker compared to Iran's. Though at a technological disadvantage, Iran's military could have a significant stockpile of the ballistic and cruise missiles and cheap unmanned aerial vehicles or drones. Again, Israel has a much more formidable arsenal when it comes to air defense systems. Iranian air defenses are much less developed than the multi-layer systems of Israel, and this is further bolstered by its ally, America. Bureau Report, Beyond World is One.
For latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.